Hello! So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I have done these in the past. I am a very firm believer in shopping small and handmade and anything that can support small businesses like mine and like lots of other people's. I think not only is it good to keep your money out of the hands of very big, uncaring corporations who do not really have your best interest in heart, but also just to support other people and their artistry. And that is what today's is about, a very special artist. So this is art from one of my favorite YouTube channels, and I will link them below. And they are called It's a Charming Life, and they're very popular, so I'm sure you've probably heard of them. If not, please check out their channel. It's amazing. I love all their videos. I just love the calmness that it brings, and that they usually bake in each one, and the beautiful scenery around their little cottage and in the forest and the cemetery nearby. And just honestly, the love that they have for each other is very, very sweet and wholesome and real and true. Very rarely in life do you see true love, and they're definitely an example of that. But anyway, let's get to it. So here is the name of his shop, will also be listed below. It's an Etsy shop, and it's called the Woodland Library. Just wanted to show, gave a very tiny, beautiful little picture. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. It has, I think that's his business card. It's very beautiful. And then check out this packaging. See, this is something that is special about handmade businesses, is that people, just like me, you just love to wrap up people's packages. It's not even so much about the money. It's the joy you get from creating and wrapping something up so beautiful like this. So this is a leaf actually from the trees near their house. This might even be from the Japanese maple in all their videos. Oh, that's awesome. I want to carefully save that. So pretty. And it says, make sure to visit thewoodlandlibrary.com and itsacharminglife.com. So they have a website as well for their channel that has recipes and things like that on there, a blog. I've been to their website. It's amazing. So I love, just like me, he uses the craft paper, undyed craft paper, and I just think that's awesome. I'm trying to be very careful. I don't want to rip anything. Very nice. He even put on the outer package that had the address on it of where to open it carefully, and I appreciated that so much, because the last thing you want to do when you buy an art print is to cut it open the wrong way and cut your artwork. I've never actually seen any artists do that before, and I thought it was brilliant. I'll take the tape off very carefully. So one of these is going to be from my mom, who she just had her birthday yesterday, and I like to always give her kind of Halloween stuff for her birthday. She always likes little pumpkin head people, and I do too. It always makes me think of that sweet character in the L. Frank Baum Oz books, the pumpkin head. I think his name was also Jack Pumpkinhead. I'm trying to be very careful to remove this tape. And I'm going to get some really cool picture frames for the ones that I'm keeping. So this is the first one. I loved this one. This one is for me, where the Pumpkinhead man is sitting and he is drinking some tea or coffee and reading a book. And I love that it's that kind of sky at night that I love around full moons, where the clouds look like that. He's, of course, sitting in the pumpkin patch. I'll try to bring it in a little closer so you can See it real good. And their cottage is in the very distance, as you can see to the right here. That looks like their cobweb cottage. Isn't that beautiful? In a protective little sleeve. And then there's these. These are his sweet little character that's also a pumpkin head, like a little boy. He just did a video about carving a pumpkin this year, which is amazing because I actually suggested that in one of my comments when they asked what they'd want to see, and I put that because, boy, do I ever have a hard time carving pumpkins. But isn't he cute? He's got a book in one hand and an apple in the other, and he's walking through some beautiful woods with some mushrooms nearby. He's so cute. I like his little bow tie. And then this is the last one. Oh no, actually I had 4, I forgot. No, he gave me an extra one. Oh my gosh. Okay, before I get too excited here. This is another one. And I'm giving my mom the one with the apples, but now I'm going to give her the baseball guy too. So this is the little pumpkin head reader, and I'm going to open this one up to see, because I'm getting a glare, and I don't want a glare. I want to show you guys real good. He uses very nice shiny paper, and I didn't want to put the flash on, so I'm trying. Isn't that cute? There's the crow in his eye, who's also reading the book, and he's got a light in his jar to see, sitting on the roof of their cottage. The beautiful moon in the distance. So I wanted to keep my 2 reader pumpkins together, and those would be mine. And now the apple boy, and this one that he also gave me. This one will also go to my mom. Isn't he cool too? He's in the pumpkin patch wearing a uniform. You can see his straw hanging up out of his neck. He's got a piece of wheat in his mouth. And he's playing baseball for the full moon. Oh, they're just so beautiful. They're just even better than I hoped. Oh, I just can't wait. I'm going to find some really cute frames, or I might make some frames to put my 2 guys in. They also occasionally make their own tea blends, and I'm so excited to hopefully get some tea next time. I know that it sells out very fast. So if you're looking for a wonderful gift from a true artist, or you're a person who loves Halloween, or if you just want to check out their wonderful channel and watch all their videos, binge on them like I have, I will leave all links below, as well as to their website. So I thank Jonas and Lindsay so much for letting me do this video. And I urge you all this holiday season, please shop small, shop handmade, shop places local in your town. It helps people so much more than you can even imagine. Take care.